Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day when we fell in love.
Hey guys, so today we'll discuss some interesting topics where numbers and codes are very useful and important in our daily lives, which are the ISBN, the UPC, the credit cards, and the cryptology. So get ready to explore further as my group mates dive into the details of the topics that they're about to discuss. Now I'm gonna pass it to the next person who will explain what ISBN is all about.
Amen. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about ISBN. ISBN stands for International Standard Book Number. Think of it of this way. 13 digits, like a social security number for books. Each ISBN is a 13-digit code that's completely unique to that specific book. This ensures that every book has its own distinct identity in the book world. It's like a unique ID card for books, telling you everything you need to know about its publisher, edition, and format. It's like a sort of minimap you can decipher. No two alike, just like two fingerprints. No two ISBN are the same. Parts of the code. The ISBN is divided into sections that reveal information like the publisher, country of publication, and even the specific edition. So, that is all from me. Until next time, I will now pass you over to Chirene.
Hello everyone, so I will be talking about the UPC. UPCs are like secret ID cards for products but written in math. So here's the gist. Each UPC is a 12-digit code like a fingerprint uniquely identifying a product. A clever math trick hides a checked digit within a code. So this digit ensures the code was scanned correctly, like double-checking your ID to avoid typos. The check digit is calculated using modular arithmetic. It is a cool math concept where you only care about reminders after dividing by a certain number. Imagine, it's like a secret handshake with numbers. So the barcode bodies, the UPC code isn't just numbers. It also translates into those familiar black bars and spaces on the product. So each bar and space represents a specific number, like a code written in a special language. So, UPC are mini math puzzles on every product you buy. They use clever calculations and number tricks to ensure everything gets scanned and tracked correctly.
Managid mi guys!
Manami sir.
Manami sir.
Go something. Go something. Credit card numbers are normally 13 to 16 digit numbers. The first 1 to 4 digit is used to identify the card issuer like MasterCard, Visa, Maestro, and etc. Companies that issue card also use modular arithmetic to determine whether a credit card number is valid. The primary coding method is based on the LUN algorithm, which is modulus 10 arithmetic. The LUN algorithm was named after a scientist named Hans-Peter Lund. LUN algorithm used to determine whether a credit card is valid. So the steps are step 1, starting from the next to the last digit, from right to left. Step 2, double every other digit. If a digit becomes 2-digit number after being doubled, then treat it as a 2 individual digit. Step 3, get the sum of the digit. Step 4, check the sum if it is equal to 0 in modulus 10. So here is example 1. So the example here is the credit card number 52382134A21341012898. So the step 1 is starting from the next to the last digit. So here is the last digit, and right to left. So right to left. And step 2, double every other digit if so double every digit. So here the last digit, so the other digit is 9. 1, 3, 1, 8, 3, 5. So if the digit becomes 2, if we divide it times, if we double it, kani siya, double na to ni. So here are the times 2 ang kaning every other digit from right to left. So mali siya. So ang 9 becomes 18, ang 1 becomes 2, 3 becomes 6 because he doubled man, and the 5 becomes 8, becomes 10 rather. So here the next step, here is the next step. So ibutang na ko tanan dire ang 10, ang 2, so na 1 siya idulong dito. And then if the digit becomes 2 again, like the 10, after being doubled, then treat it as a 2 individual digit. So kani siyang 10, mahimo na siyang 1, 0. Like kaning 6, kaning 18, it becomes 1 in 8. So if we get to the next step, the next step is that get the sum of the digit. So ato ni silang i-add. So nabutang na nato ang plus sign, and then the total, the sum of this digit is 60. So the last step is if we check it if the sum is equal to 0 in modulus 10. So 60 modulus 10. So 60 modulus 10, like 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. Therefore, kani siya 60 is no remainder. The remainder is 0. 60 is congruent to 0 modulus 10, meaning 60 have no remainder, meaning 0 remainder. So this credit card number is valid because it has 0 remainder. So next example would be this one. So sa example 2, kani ang credit card number. So ang digit, if after mahuman sa double up every other digit na ni siya. So ang kani dire sa 6 becomes 12 and etc. So muna ni siya. Treat na siya as individual digit ang 2 digit. So mahimo siyang kani. If we add this one, mahimo siyang 53. And then 53 rather is not congruent to 0 modulus 10 because kani siya lagi 10. If we divide it, 10 53 divide, so
53 divide 10.
5, and then 5 times 10 becomes 50. And then mabilin din ang 3. So the remainder is 3. So kung mag-ingon ta nga valid ang credit card, therefore it is equal to 0. So kani siya nga example, the credit card here is the credit card number here is dili man siya dili siya ma-equal to 0, dili siya 50, 60, 70 and so on. Therefore dili siya valid. It is invalid credit card number. That's it for my vlog in credit card numbers. Hope You have learned many things here sa example nako o sa akong definition. So muna to ang akong report about or a vlog about credit card numbers. Si Ate Alaiza na po nang sunod.
So now let us proceed to the next topic, which is the cryptology. Cryptology means that it is related to codes on books and grocery items or secret codes. These codes are used to send messages between people, companies, or nations. So cryptology means that it is the study of making and breaking the secret codes. So as we all know that alphabet letters has 26 numbers. But here we can see that this is the cyclical coding scheme, which means that letters shift into numbers. And as we can see sa letter Z, ganun na 0 siya, is equal naman siya sa 26. So here, as we can see, ganun 0 ang Z, because 0 is also also written as 26 congruence to 0 mod 26. So matawag yun po siya nga 26 because congruence siya is 0. So here is the one example of the cryptology text. So Dad send money. So now we will use the encryption key. So as you see, this is the equivalent number sa letter. So D is 4, A is 1, and so on and so forth. So we will write the encryption key, which is the Y congruence to X plus 6 mod 26. So the encryption key will maggamit as, so example, 6 plus 1 6 plus 4 is 10, and 6 plus 1 is 7, 10, 25. So now gisulat na ako iyang mga encryption key. So mo ni ang encryption key. And we will use now the decryption key, which is the X is equals to congruence Y minus 6 mod 26. So we will apply the decryption key to these numbers because your father will convert this to their numeric equivalents. So, and after applying the decryption key, mauna dahil niya manglawas like J, G, J, and so on and so forth. So J is converted into 10, G into 7, J again is 10. So, inga na siya pag And then after applying the decryption key, the output is this one. Kani mong mauna niyang output. And then this one and this string of integers, the output is this one. And this string is equivalent to this message, Dad send money. And that's all. And I hope you have learned gamay ng mga pag-ano sa cryptology that can help you.
Mali na.
What's up, way?
Mali na ta.
Muli na.
Good.
What's up, way? Ba?